Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel, Miss Elie's Classroom. Today I have a cute tutorial for you. Today we will make a welcome card for kids. First take a printout of pencils and cut them out. Then paste the pencil cutouts on a hard sheet for mountaining. If you want, you can change the color and make it in contrast, or you can just paste the pencil as they are. Now take another color hard sheet and do the mountaining. Next, cut out welcome back text. Paste the pencils and the welcome tags on ice cream sticks. And that's it. Your cute welcome card is ready. Here is the final look. Isn't it adorable? Comment below if you want more videos like this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.